I believe that the real beauty and happiness is something from within. Hi, I am Benny, and this is the beauty from my own way in a little town with full of stunning unique things. I am blessed to be Situbondo, to grow up in the east side of paradise with beautiful nature, beautiful culture, and beautiful people. It is a hidden paradise to be found on a bloodland, Tanah Merah. Not knowing that it is a land as the proof about the war in the past between Damar Wulan and Layang Kumitir. In the other way, there is a hidden place filled with the myth and culture. This is the cursed village of Situbondo, the magic of 26, called Karangkeni 26. That means small village in 26. A gorgeous historical place which only has 26 families. If more than that, there will be a selection with 3 choices: death, divorce, or move, until only 26 families left. A small village full of history, mystery, and beauty inside. Telling the history of Situbondo, one always filled in the history book, Anyer Panarukan, with 18 pillars, which means the first time Situbondo had a leader in 1818. 1,000 kilometers roadway full of blood, suffer, and tears. Moreover, the evidence of megalithic civilization showed in this giant stone, with some holes such as traditional games, named Batu Dakon. After all, true beauty, validation, and self-worth come from within. We show nature's beauty with her flaws and her scars wholeheartedly. Although pandemic still exists, the beauty will always here. Besides all of them, still exists another uncountable beauty on it. From me, Situbondo is not just a city. It's a home Beniaji and his town, the enchantment of Situbondo, east side of paradise.